Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to create a high-converting landing page in Squarespace 7.1. Let's get right to it. First, you need to create a hidden page. Go to your Pages panel, scroll down to the Not Linked section, click the plus sign, and choose a blank page. This keeps your landing page out of your main website navigation. Next, add your content. Click Edit on your new blank page and start adding sections. Keep it simple. Add a compelling headline, a brief description of your offer, and a clear call to action like a newsletter sign-up form or a button. Then remove all distractions. This is the most important step for a true landing page. Click the gear icon next to your page name to open the settings. Go to the Navigation tab and toggle off both Show Header and Show Footer. This prevents visitors from clicking away to other parts of your website. Finally, clean up your settings. While still in the page settings, go to the General tab to give your page a custom URL slug and update your SEO title and description so it looks professional when shared online. Hit save and your landing page is ready to launch. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.